in this electrifying world of artificial intelligence. Where innovation knows no bounds, there's one stock that set the visionary investor Cathie Wood into a state of electrifying excitement. So fasten your seatbelts, dear viewers, because today we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey to unravel exactly why Cathie Wood is betting big on this particular stock. She's not merely predicting growth, she's forecasting a meteoric rise of 716%, a trajectory that could catapult this stock to an astonishing $6 trillion valuation by the year 2027. But the million-dollar question remains, does this stock possess a magic formula to reach such stratospheric heights, or is it all just a tantalizing tale of hype? Before we unveil the answer to that, don't forget to do your part by hitting that thumbs up button and subscribing to Tesla Stock News for a steady stream of updates on Tesla and the tech world. Now, my fellow investors, it's time to put on your metaphorical magnifying glasses because we're about to embark on a deep dive to uncover the secrets behind Cathie Wood's audacious prediction. So without further ado, let's take the plunge and dissect the future of this AI powerhouse. Let the adventure begin. Cathie Wood, the visionary behind ARK Investment Management, is targeting an explosive future for Tesla, and she believes it can be achieved through the explosive power of artificial intelligence. When you hear the term artificial intelligence stocks, you may immediately picture Nvidia, the massive semiconductor company. After all, the company's AI data center chips have caused a startling 238% spike in its stock price in 2023. It's as though they have the Midas touch of the tech world, making silicon into gold, but Cathie Wood isn't one to follow the crowd. An interesting interview with Bloomberg TV. She urged investors to focus on AI software businesses instead of following the herd. Why? Because these software wizards possess a superpower of their own. They can generate an incredible $8 in revenue for each dollar that an Nvidia chip is sold. It's like using a digital wand to turn a penny into a dollar. You may be wondering how all of this relates to Tesla, and that's where the plot thickens. Tesla is more than simply its mysterious ringmaster or those sleek electric cars that zip around silently. There's more to this story. Elon Musk, along with her creation, ARK Investment Management, Cathie Wood, feels that the true treasure, Tesla's autonomous self-driving software, is the treasure. If ARK's crystal ball is as clear as they claim, it would be like finding that AI was the genie in the bottle all along, poised to grant Tesla some monumental wishes. Tesla's stock might defy gravity and climb to unthinkable heights, turning the business into a massive valuation. A major player in the global corporate scene, all bets are off as we wait to see if ARK's AI-fueled vision for Tesla comes true. Tesla is leading the electric vehicle market. Tesla is positioning itself as the David preparing to take on Goliath in the valuation. Tesla is, without a doubt, the market leader for electric vehicles. Model I outsold gas-powered cars like the Toyota Camry and Honda Accord to become the best-selling automobile worldwide in the first quarter of 2023, and Tesla is only getting started. The CEO of the firm, Elon Musk, has stated that he hopes to increase production by 50 yearly for the foreseeable future. This implies that by 2030, Tesla may produce 20 million cars annually. How did Tesla arrive here? The reasons behind Tesla's market domination in EVs are multiple. First, the business is ahead of the curve in terms of technology. One of the first automakers to release an electric vehicle for the general public was Tesla, and the company has kept up its innovative streak in the years since. Take the Model S, which was the first to be offered as a long-range vehicle. Certain mention of range more than 400 miles. The Model S offers more than twice the range of the majority of competing electric vehicles. Additionally, Tesla was the first car company to provide a completely automated driving system. Tesla vehicles can drive themselves on highways thanks to autopilot, which is continuously being upgraded. Tesla has a solid reputation as a pioneer in innovation, sustainability, which draws in a lot of customers. Tesla is renowned for its opulent interiors and sleek designs. The perception of Tesla vehicles as status symbols contributes to their increasing demand because of its vertically integrated business strategy, which spans from raw material extraction to vehicle assembly. Tesla is able to control every aspect of manufacturing, including costs, and increase efficiency in the production of cars. Tesla's long-term goals. Tesla is always inventing and seeking for new avenues for growth. so the firm is not content to sit on its laurels. Developing fully autonomous driving technology, one of Tesla's most ambitious projects. If it succeeds, this might transform the transportation sector and increase Tesla's profits. In order to fulfill the rising demand for its cars, Tesla is also increasing the amount of production capacity. New facilities are being built in Berlin, Germany, and Austin, Texas. Given its technology, brand, and financial resources, Tesla is well positioned to dominate the electric vehicle market for many years to come. In addition to that, Tesla is still growing. The company is working on a new electric car called the Cybertruck, which is expected to be released in 2023. Tesla is also developing a new solar roof and a battery storage system. Let's not forget that the company is growing its supercharger network, which allows fast charging for Tesla vehicles. If Tesla is successful, it could change the world. Tesla is also dealing with certain issues. The business is seeing an increase in rivalry from Ford and General Motors, among other automakers. Despite these difficulties, Tesla's supply chain is having problems, which have slowed down production. Tesla is positioned to thrive in the years to come because it has a solid product selection, a devoted following of customers, and a clear future vision. Tesla's self-driving software isn't just another glitzy technological feature. It has the potential to transform the game. To put it in perspective, over 2.7 million Tesla drivers are reportedly testing the beta version of fully autonomous technology in real-world situations, according to renowned research firm ARK Invest. This number is 10 times higher than what Tesla's nearest rival has accomplished. Together, these adventurous drivers have driven an astounding 300 million miles, according to Elon Musk, who's rather proud of them. Now, let's examine the brilliant plan Tesla has devised to turn this technology into a profitable venture. First off, it's a smart move for Tesla to sell FS2 to its consumers through a subscription model, as software goods frequently have astounding profit margins up to 80% if you can't afford that. It's not just about making more money. It's also about making the software smart. The more cars equipped with FSD tech on the road, the more data gets collected and the more refined the AI models become. And here's the real kicker. Musk isn't satisfied with just one revenue stream. He's thinking of renting out the FSD technology to other car manufacturers for a tidy fee, since the average car spends most of its life parked. Musk and Visions have big dreams for an autonomous ride-hailing network. If car owners join Tesla's autonomous ride-hailing club, they could potentially earn extra money from their trusty vehicle. Tesla will receive a cut of each ride. This could be the motherlode for Tesla. Musk's crystal ball shows a future where, by combining the income from software sales and the profits from the ride-hailing venture, Tesla could skyrocket the gross margin for each Tesla vehicle to an astonishing 70% in the long run. So even if they barely break even on manufacturing and selling the cars, these accompanying services could turn Tesla into a generating powerhouse. Now, that's what I call a well-oiled money-making machine, and they can, with that in mind, ARK Invest is painting a picture of Tesla's stock that's practically shooting for the stars, aiming to hit a whopping $2,000 by the time 2010 rolls around. Their crystal ball gazes into a future where the autonomous ride-hailing industry is set to become a financial behemoth with an eye-popping $4 trillion in revenue anticipated within the next 5 years. Now, it might seem like ARK is reaching for the moon with this prediction, considering that the autonomous ride-hailing scene is still in its infancy, but don't scoff just yet, because Tesla is dropping hints that its full self-driving software could soon be available for everyone to experience by the end of 2023. So here's the grand scheme laid out by ARK currently. Sales of electric vehicles account for more than 85% of Tesla's revenue. However, in the space of a few years, things could change drastically, as predicted by ARK's financial crystal ball, with sales of electric vehicles expected to drop to less than half by 2027. The reason for this is that autonomous vehicles, or robotaxis, are expected to account for a sizable 44% of revenue in 2027. Looking ahead, we see Tesla's annual revenue soar to over $1 trillion, propelling its overall value to an astounding $6 trillion. The cherry on top would be a stock price that soars to an astounding $2, representing a mind-boggling 716 increase from where it stands today. However, here's where the twist in the teller's crystal ball makes a bold. Until 2027, Tesla is expected to grow its revenue at a breakneck pace of $78 per year. Some may say that these predictions are optimistic, but here's the wild card. That's not just impressive. It's essentially unprecedented, especially for a corporation that has already generated revenue of about $100 billion over the past year. The pace at which the autonomous driving industry develops is still unknown, but if it develops into a multi-trillion-dollar behemoth in a matter of years, then my friend Dark's $2,000 prediction for Tesla stock might just be the jackpot we've all been waiting for. It's a risk, no doubt, but in the exciting and unpredictable world of finance, stranger things have happened and people have made fortunes by taking a risk. So buckle up, folks. The ride is about to get interesting. And there you have it. The exciting tale of Tesla stock forecasts and the brilliant potential of the autonomous ride-hailing industry that we've explored through ARK Invest's bold prophecies, the emergence of Tesla's FSD software, and the alluring prospect of a $2 trillion stock. It's an exciting financial ride that has the potential to completely change the investing environment. And now is the time for you to weigh in with your opinions on ARK Invest estimates. Let's continue the conversation in the comments section below. Share your thoughts, opinions, and predictions. Before we wrap up, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button. Do you think Tesla stock can reach those dizzying heights? Do you think the pace of autonomous driving will be a wild card in this high stakes game? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Tesla Stock News. If you thought this video was interesting and educational, if you want to remain up to speed on all things Tesla hype and more, make sure to subscribe to our channel.